The 5 Love Languages. The Secret to Love That Lasts by Gary Chapman is a popular book that explores the different ways people give and receive love. The core idea is that each person has a primary love language, and understanding these can help improve relationships. Here's a summary of the main concepts and each of the 5 love languages. Main concepts. 1. Love language. The primary way a person expresses and receives love. 2. Primary and secondary love languages. While everyone has a primary love language, they may also have a secondary one. 3. Love tank. A metaphor for how loved a person feels. Keeping your partner's love tank full is crucial for a healthy relationship. 4. Communication. Understanding and speaking your partner's love language enhances communication and connection. The 5 love languages. 1. Words of affirmation. Description. Expressing love through spoken or written words of praise, appreciation, and affection. Examples: compliments, affirming statements, and encouraging words. Key actions: regularly say, "I love you," praise them for their accomplishments, and offer kind words. 2. Acts of service. Description: showing love by doing things that you know your partner would like. Examples: helping with chores, cooking meals, running errands. Key actions: perform acts that ease the burden of responsibilities on your partner. 3. Receiving gifts. Description: giving thoughtful gifts that show you were thinking about your partner. Examples: flowers, small tokens of appreciation, surprise gifts. Key actions: give gifts on special occasions and just because, and be attentive to what kinds of gifts make your partner happy. 4. Quality time. Description: giving your undivided attention to your partner. Examples: having meaningful conversations, doing activities together, spending time without distractions. Key actions: schedule regular date nights, engage in hobbies together, and ensure that time spent together is meaningful and focused. 5. Physical touch. Description: expressing love through physical contact. Examples: holding hands, hugging, kissing, sexual intimacy. Key actions: be physically affectionate, initiate physical closeness, and be attentive to your partner's comfort level and preferences. Applying the love languages. Identify your own and your partner's love language. Take quizzes, observe their behavior, and discuss to discover each other's love languages. Communicate. Share your love languages with each other and discuss how to meet each other's needs. Practice. Make conscious efforts to speak your partner's love language regularly. Observe. Pay attention to how your partner reacts to different expressions of love and adjust accordingly. By understanding and speaking the love language that resonates most with your partner, you can enhance your relationship, increase mutual understanding, and keep each other's love tanks full.